Yeah, big up for the same good viewers and subscribers. So people forward now, story time and a story time. Well, me I go take it, turn it into a story cause my friend tell me say him get deported people and me I tell you me I can tell you the story. You see me I say man get deported, man pay $50,000 for your business when I get deported. Jesus Christ. But make me feel like share, subscribe while I roll up this weed, guys. Remember this channel is all about travel vlog, music, news, entertainment, update, and live stream, guys. It's where I say travel vlog, music, news, entertainment, update, and live stream. So people, me tell you what I go on. So me have a friend, guys. You see me I say me have a friend, apparently he have a US visa. You feel me? He have a US visa and him get a trip for going to the US. You feel me? And him have to stay with one and we had a friend. You see me? But my other friend, we must stay with it. I don't know them man, they are somebody for it, you know, because them man, they not plan to come back to Jamaica or nothing like that. You see me? Them man, they don't say in done with Jamaica, him not end up back to Jamaica and everything there. And no, him not straight either. Him not straight and him not tell you, say him not go back to Jamaica, guys. So, this friend and all people, him forward up in America now, so him get a work, him get a job, guys. So him a work, you know, under the table and all these things. Him not pay, you know, look at tax and all them things because him do not have a work permit and him have a social security card. So you know a regular visa him forward up on 6 months. So him didn't know, guys, and him didn't know and see if I work and to him I work, guys. You see, to him I work in a chat, him and I make a bag of money in a chat. Him and I make a money for work and apparently money where him I make. Him never really experienced the money there at Jamaica yet. You see me I say him never really make the money there at Jamaica yet, guys. So him didn't know and him I say, yo, 3 months, 4 months. He say he make a bag of money. So alright, him decide say, yo, ask Clark, me I make the money here. You see me I say, me not plan to go back to Jamaica. Me not go back to Jamaica right now. That ain't gonna do wrong, guys. The man say, to him making money in a people, the man say, alright, him not going back to Jamaica. So him did in America, go on, work and I save up, look, save up his money and all these things, guys. You see me, I save up his money. Meanwhile, he save up his money, he save about 13,000. You feel me? You have 30,000 in savings, people. You see me? 30,000, this guy have 30,000 in savings. So when you have 30,000 in savings now, he decides, alright, he link free dog. He link with other friend, because both are with friend, you know. So he link with other friend and say, yo dog, me feel like me nah go back to Jamaica, you know. Dog I say, alright, find a girl, man, and both are business married. So the dog say, alright, me have a friend. You see me, I say, me have a girl, you can marry her and things. You see me, I say, she give her a thing. You give her a thing. A 15,000 she a charge for the wedding. So him say, alright, 15,000, knowing you people. Him man now forward in America for the visa, you know. You see me I say, for this man work in 6 months, or not 6 months, for this man work in 3 months, and go back in the yard and come back again, guys. The man say, alright, I go married. So him say, alright, them I go line up a thing, line up a girl, and come to agreement, them reason. Girl say, alright, yes, she willing to do it and all these things. The girl willing to do it at the time. Excited and say, you see me? She hear about the money and all these things. So she say, alright, madam. Yeah, so mama stay so people. Line up with them, I line up. And my dog them line up here and in a living room, they get adjust it as a piece or something from a city hall. Somebody from the city hall. You feel me? Do up a blood work, do up a blood test, all these things to get the married license, all the good stuff, people. You see me? Because I tell me, you show me what go on, you know. Me glad Phoebe still when me hear say it at work, and I say, alright, you find somebody and the girl sounds sincere like she willing to help you. You see me, never know this girl have plans of her own. I did not know this girl have plans of her own, guys. Chat me say, after a man married the girl, you know. Married up and everything now, and I say work screw now, everything sort out, they married them all. You see me I say? A few weeks I go on down the line now. But when you take a stock, every minute chat, every minute. This girl I call a broski, every minute. Every minute she call him. I tell him say, yo, alright, if she need to pay her phone bill, she call him on the phone. I say, yo, our phone bill need to pay. Remember, this is a business. Oh, this is a business wedding. You see me, I say, I don't like them there and all these things. But when he married her first, still, when he married her, he gave her $7,000 down. 7,000, no, I think he gave her $8,000 down. Yeah, $8,000 down. I remember say a 15,000 she charged. You see me? Yeah. So you give her 8,000. So you do say you have a 7,000 there, so. You have a 7,000 for your left remain, you see me? Till after everything go through that agreement, when time they get the first green card and all these things. You see me, like a 2-year green card. Because remember in the marriage, I get a 2-year green card first. You see me? So you get the 2-year green card now, then you get the rest of money. But then go for a few interview. You see me, I say? I go for the next interview. So now people, next interview come up here now, people. Big interview come up here now, my friend. You see me, I say? You know, when I go in for the interview, you know, yeah, dog link me, I say, yo, today we want to go for the interview and all these things. I say, alright, dog, go and bless up yourself. You see me? Make sure you say you chant 2 prayers and all these things before you go for the interview, guys. You see me? Is when this man go for the interview, people. In the interview, a girl just look at way she move, cause he might tell me how she move, she move some type of a way, like, you see me, I say shaky and all these things, nervous and all these things. So immigration asks her what problem. You see me? Immigration asks her what problem. You know, mama look at the immigration and say, I can't do it. It's a business married. He pay me. Jesus Christ. Mama says a business married, him pay me. You see me, I say? Mama says a business married. Mama call the man for rent, for phone bill, for light bill, for every fucking bill. Car payment and everything. And the dog just say, yo, watch you know, me can't do all of that thing. Me can't show out all of the money there. You know, me can't give you every time. Because remember, me still have to save up money for give you. Me still have to take care of my things, same way. And all these things are like, Mama get upset for that. You see me, I say, and Mama say, yo, the man pay there, you know what? One man just take her out of the room. Take her out of the room instantly. When I take a stock to blood clot, is a 2 thick man. Immigration, I say, come for dog. No question, no nothing. Bloop, just take him away. Never see street again. Last time he said, Mama, never see street again, people. So when time he stays, so now, Mama go in the immigration center. New Jersey, indeed. You see me, I say, somewhere in New Jersey. The detention, immigration detention center in New Jersey. They say, dog, go and call on the phone. I mean, I tell the dog, I say, yo, brother, you see me tell the dog, I tell you, sometimes I don't feel listen to me, because I say, dog, you cover for it. You woke up on 13,000 in a 4 month or 3 month or so, dog. Fly, go back to your yard for your visa, you just get a visa, fly, go back to your yard, dog. And bill again, and bill. You see me, I said, don't rush and go over there until you see, look at sweet money, boy, you never get the money there, you can just go back and visit again. You see me? Breeze or sometimes visitor go and make some link. You don't want to rush things too much time. Sometimes I tell you, sometimes when you don't rush things, my friend, them thing they happen on after just but you can't rush everything. So look what you do now, rush it thing. You see me? When you could have your visa, go and travel back and front now, you don't have nothing. You get deep now. You see me? You can't fake married. They only on a fake married and all them style, my friend. Yeah? Take your visa clean. Send him back on your yard, broke. And you don't get a chance to go out in the street to go work up no money and all these things. You see me, I say? Chick your mama just go talk. You see me? And right now, I'm sure the feds then go to give mama a piece of thing for that. You see me? Go to give her a piece of thing for that and say, yo, hold a piece of food there. So mama get blood clot $8,000, $8,000 for you for free. $8,000. You never even fucking have nothing. You see me? That's why I say when I get to the visa, guys, when nah, a man could have go America, you know, continue go America and just stay so boom and a work. A man could have work, and stay so and I work up some money and I hustle up some money. You see me, I say I hustle up some money for the people them. For the people them a yard. You see me? And then think they go back to Jamaica. Because if you come and foreign and you work 3 months and you find yourself with a certain amount of money in your pocket, you work all on 13,000 in 3 months. Pussy clad. Good, you good, my friend. Yeah? You work up your body and you hustle up your body. You see me, I say, I take you and go, but you want married and go give away your life blood clot money, bro, that's what. I get deep that you could have traveled back and forth in the US. You see me, I say, more opportunity to could have come. You'd end up finding a girl who want to marry you for real. You don't have to pay the money because them think they're easy. You don't have to pay the money, my friend, but someone who just can't know if you hold out. You see me, I say, you see your dog over there now, and the dog over there, man that live at some high life, man that live still, you know. You see me, him not blood clot, and him convince him man for blood clot, go married. You see me, I say, for you tell him man, say, your brother, go and hold out, man. Go and hold out. You see me, do not, don't get no fuck up your visa yet. So me I advise everybody, once you have your visa, no fuck it up. You see me, I say, no fuck it up, just go and hold out. Go and hold out. You see me, I say, things will happen. Just move through the country and go on, see what can go on. Go and visit and all them things. They don't know who you can meet, who can give you a break and give you a better chance. Sort out the thing in a proper way. You see me, I say, you can do the hard face and easy back and travel same way. While you're married, I go and go through same way. You see me? Yeah. Man get fucked. $15,000. Your business wedding. You see me? And you get deported over $15,000 business wedding. You see me? I say, fake business wedding. You see me? But big up yourself, you're going to lift back again, my G. You rise back, but sometimes I have to listen when people talk. You see me? I say, and everything on the see. I don't want to go jump in it and think say everything so life sweet, and you have to know them people here. People not real, cause them girls and the nigga them same way. We married people, papers and all them thing the people. Them some of them boy, and if you don't know it, it's stress enough people go through. People go through some holy stress, my friend. Believe me, no man. That me I tell them people. It just tell me a story. You see me, I say, I tell me, I go talk about it on YouTube, cause right now, a whole heap of people are doing things there. I'm married right now for green card. You see me, I say, I'm married for green card, and know, say, yo, certain things are straight up here. You see me, I say, when mama going in and man going in, can decide, say, yo, watch out, you there, fuck up. Yo, you see me? You have to just go and hold it if you're not married to for green card, married the girl for green card. You have to go and hold out. You see me, I say? And then again, some of them girls want disrespect man, them and all type of, boy, when you put yourself in some things, but you have to know if you deal with the thing. If you're a man, you will know if you move. Because man know if you move. You see me, I say? Don't tell me no one girl I use and I flip you and I tell them this and that. You have to make mama know, say, yo, she have to stand her grounds. You see me, because if I saw soap thing and a baby something. You see me, but people that I store for me dog, you see me, I say, get deported over business, for business wedding, $50,000 business wedding. Crazy one on part. Remember to do your thing, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell, guys. Help a thing. Remember, this channel is all about travel vlog, music, news, entertainment update, and live stream, guys. You see me, I say, support the channel, please. Share up the video, share up the content if you don't know somebody are married. If you know anybody are married right now and I go through the struggle with them papers and all them things, they tell themselves just go and hold out, go and pray. You see me, I say, Father God. You see me, I say, don't know a thing, guys. Big up for yourself. You see me, I say, Spotted.tv. Follow me on the IG too, as well. This and those.